In very recent history, all the hipsters got together and decided, you know what? Avocados belong on bread. And I don't disagree. It's quite good, it's delicious, but you can take avocados in a whole different way by adding coconut, honey, pistachios, almonds, sugar, milk. You can make it better. For the classic, we need 1 medium avocado, 18 grams of sugar, which is roughly 3.5 teaspoons, 400 milliliters of whole milk, that is about 13.5 fluid ounces. That's it. For the bougie, we need a medium avocado and 4 dates. Remove the pits, unless you hate your blender. Chop them roughly, unless again you hate your blender, and in that case you really need to figure out your blender situation. Take 10 pistachios and just break them up, and do the same thing for 6 coconut chips. So add the dates to the avocados and give it 400 milliliters of milk. Instead of using sugar, we're going to use 2 tablespoons of honey, and I recommend using a spoon, otherwise it'll take really forever. Top it with the coconut chips and the pistachios and a nice drizzle of honey. Et voila! For the vegan, we're going to make caramelized almonds. First, we start by mixing 60 grams of almonds with 20 grams of sugar and 10 milliliters of water. That is roughly 2 ounces of almonds, 4 teaspoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of water. Cook it on high heat and keep stirring until you get this really beautiful caramelized texture. You should probably not overcook them like I did, but you want to give them a nice pinch of sea salt. That's it. Throw your avocado in the blender, add in 18 grams of sugar, or roughly 3.5 teaspoons. Add 400 milliliters of almond milk. That's roughly 13.5 fluid ounces. 1 tablespoon of bourbon vanilla extract. Blend it all together. Pimp it up with some salted caramelized almonds, and you got yourself an amazing vegan milkshake. And that's pretty much it. It's fast, it's delicious, easy to make. For my alcoholic friends or my friends who like alcohol, you can spike any of these with some amaretto. Don't worry, it's 2020, no one is gonna blame you. So yeah, that's it. Like and comment if you like this video. If not, I don't know, go do something else with your time. All right, bye.